How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and it comes up to my mind. I want to talk about ticker bets. It really saddens me to see this, but I want to talk about it. I want to give you guys my thought process. I know there's a lot of retail traders that get sucked into these China companies like UCAR and Bets that have these big move downs, and they think, okay, these are nice stocks to go up for a pump, but Chinese stocks are always been pumps and dumps for me. I've never had any that has been differently. And before I go into, I know you're looking at like, well, where's the chart? I want to see what your analysis is. So to keep in mind, I'm a reversal trader. I find bottoms and tops in the stock market. I've been doing this for over 6 years and been making constantly money doing this full time, month after month. And before I get right into the meat and potatoes, I have a premium Discord at an all-time low cost of only $6. I am not going to ever charge hundreds of dollars like a lot of people do. $6, you get my exact setups, my trade alerts, and how I make thousands of dollars in this market. Let me go over bets. I want to show you guys exactly what I see here, how I traded this in the past. I'm not a fan of Chinese stocks, but I found it was a really good setup I found when I traded it, and I made a over 100% gain for the Discord members, and it was only a one-time thing I saw for this trade, right? So, here is I'm going to show you guys what the system does. So you have the bottom band is your buy zone, the top band is your sell, and the middle band is your potential buy zone. Or not buy zone, your potential where price has to go back to. Everywhere you see price go down, it is always hitting this blue band, this middle band, and these are customized settings to say if it goes down, these are extreme territories. Like right in here, it goes down a lot. It gets kind of close. Obviously, it's way down here, but as you can see, when price goes up, it corrects. When price goes down, it corrects to this blue band. Price is always, hits here, goes down. Goes kind of close, goes down. So let's go to where I traded this stock. Obviously, it's just flatline because it's been down absolutely forever. So keep that in mind. If price has to hit the blue band, and we just don't know the time frame. That's a piece of the puzzle we got to figure out. But as I've been doing this system for a long time, a month to 2 months, with if you're in the month to 2 month range of not hitting the middle band, you are more than likely the price is going to want to hurry up and touch it rapidly. So if we look at this candle at 10:25 and we look at this candle at 12:04, so it took from, I mean, it's like the end of October, so 11 to 12, 12 to 12, it's about a month and some change. So if you look at it 10:25, so we go to October, right? This is very important. Not a lot of people understand how important this is because price has to hit the middle band. So when price is under my middle lower band as a buy zone, and then it goes into so if it's under the band and it hasn't hit the middle band for a long time, this is all a buy zone. It does not mean you get in right away. Obviously, with Chinese stocks, their dumps are the biggest. You never want to get into the first candle, the second candle, the third candle, and so forth. So it's been like a month and a half. It hasn't hit it. And so then what I do is I look for a low K. The next thing you want to look for is this KDJ. So once I look for extremely low K. So right in this area, I started accumulating when it started flatlining, and then it was just a waiting game of purchasing massive amount of shares for this to touch this middle band. And if you look at it at $26, it had a split, so it's going to be different, to 66. It went over 100% gain for the Discord members. And then after that, I just never touched it because it never hit the bottom band. And if it would have, I would have. So we try to hit the bottom band. And look at this. To a T, we touched middle band right here. The last time we haven't touched it was over here in 12:05, and we touched it over here at 2:08. About a 2 month time frame. That's the kind of the time frame you see. You get the patterns here, right? So when price was getting close to here, you could have been like, okay, I'm willing to take that risk to make this massive 100% gain from this lows in here, because it was getting a low K, so it wasn't probably a bad idea, because once you know price hasn't touched the middle band in a while, it's safe to accumulate. Now we've touched the middle band for sure. You know, we went down a little and wanted to touch again. It can do that. It doesn't have to wait a month to 2 months. And so now it's just like it's going to do whatever it wants. I've seen a lot of scary things with this company. It's Chinese, obviously, delisting, and they just had the reverse split. It's just really hard to trade these things if you don't really have a clear, you know, exit plan, a clear entry plan. And these are meant to just be ins and outs. I would never hold these long term. As you can see, the momentum is always just going down. Yes, you have these spikes and it hypes everyone up, you know, thinking it's going to go up forever. And then they lock in the retail traders. But I know this right here is not a buy zone. Below this bottom band, or when it touches it or gets close to it, according to my time frame factor, a month to 2 months of not hitting the middle band, I like a month and a half to see that, and then I'll start accumulating. That's what you want to see, guys. That's when I get really confident, and I know a lot of people are buying in this area just for the next days for it to forever tank. And look, it's never getting to this area as it's always been taking, and then even to this next middle band touch, it has been taking, is going to tank some more. I just don't know. Will it go to OTC? Will it get delisted? No one really knows, right? There's a lot of possibilities in the unknowns. Of course, it's down after hours 22%, and a lot of these stocks, they have big moves to the downside and they have big moves to the upside. So they kind of scare people out, get the stops going and everything. But that's the strategy how I did it, how I was able to do 100% gain. This was the trade in here for me. I haven't seen a trade develop ever since. And I just want to share that, guys, because I want you guys to stay away from these, or just let you guys know a system that works. And if you're looking for an entry and exit plan, this is the system for you. I've been doing it for over 6 years, and this is how you catch reversals and in any type of market. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, please take a look at it. And I'm not going to charge hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars for some people that charge a yearly service. This is only $6 a month because I understand people are hurting. Not a lot of people have a lot of money. Not a lot of people want to risk a lot of for a service they haven't even really seen. I showed you a video of how I traded bets and how I have plenty other tickers I trade. I just traded NYCB today, making over 50% gain today, buying the lows, because I used a system that I was confident and I ignore the noise. So I wanted you guys to share this system. If you guys want to join, no pressure. It's only $6, but I promise you, with this system, you're going to have an edge of over 90% win rate ratio, and you're going to feel confident in your trades. You're not going to freak out when the price goes against you, and you will have accumulation rules that I develop, and you will go on your journey and be a profitable trader and get rid of your bad habits of not FOMOing and fear of missing out. You're catching bottoms when nobody wants it, and you're selling it to the chasers, guys. If you guys like this video, give it join the premium Discord. I'll put the link into the comments and the description. And when you click on it, you'll go into this free chat area. And all you have to do, if you're on a computer, it is slightly cheaper because you avoid the iOS fee. All you have to do is click on premium chat and it'll tell you, would you like to subscribe? You go boop, 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 opt in to subscribe, and you see all this. And basically, what you get is you get my trade alerts of my exact entries of how a successful, how I successfully make consistent money with my trailers. If you want to follow them, you can. If not, no problem. And I also have the setup video of how to get exactly this charting to look like yours, and you can make your own trades and feel confident too in the market, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about bets. Any type of engagement helps the algorithm help other retail traders and shares it to other people, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.